Welcome to RealBooks. Got multiple receipt entries to be posted to the books of accounts? Save your time with the Excel upload feature in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the Excel import template. Step 2. Prepare the data in the prescribed format. Step 3. Upload the files. And it is done. Let's understand the process with an example. But first, download the template. Go to Transactions. Import-Export. Import. Select the accounts voucher and click on Download Template. Once you open the Excel file, you see multiple sheets in the workbook. Each sheet has its own significance, and all of them are interconnected by the voucher serial number on the first page. To start with, you need to fill in the data in the first sheet, which is the voucher sheet. The logic is that each row of one voucher will have the same voucher serial number. Enter the voucher serial number. The voucher date. We have left the voucher number blank, as the numbering is set as automatic. In case of manual numbering, enter the number under voucher number column. Enter the voucher type as receipt. This name must be the same as what it is in RealBooks. This will allow the system to identify the correct voucher while posting the transaction. Type ledger reference No. As one in the first row, and keep increasing it in a sequential manner in each row for a single vouchers block. Type the bank or cash ledger name. Put the amount on debit side. Again on the next row, add ledger reference number as 2, and type the customer ledger name, and put the amount on credit side. Then enter the company or particular segment's GSTIN. In our case, we have inserted the branch's GSTIN, as it is to be posted to a specific branch. Remember, the debit and credit for each voucher block must be equal, else the same will not get posted. The same way the process shall continue in case there are more transactions. Moving to the next sheet, we bill. This captures the bill details against the vouchers. As specified earlier, the sheets will be interconnected via the voucher serial number. Enter the serial number for the bill row. Then enter the voucher serial number and ledger reference number as it is in the voucher sheet. Now type the bill number as received from the customer, enter the bill date, and put the amount, same as the customer's amount mentioned on the voucher sheet. The amount type will be credit, depending on the side of the customer ledger on the voucher sheet. Is against reference when marked N means it is a new reference, and a fresh bill is to be created in the system. Moving to the next sheet, bank. This captures the bank details against the vouchers. As specified earlier, the sheets will be interconnected via the voucher serial number. Enter the serial number for the bank row. Then enter the voucher serial number and ledger reference number as it is in the voucher sheet. Now enter the bank name, instrument type, number, and date. Same way other sheets are to be filled if necessary. Each sheet has some instructions too. Once done, the Excel is to be uploaded. Click on Choose File, select the file, and click on Upload. Once the file gets uploaded, you will be redirected to the Import Listing page. The upload status can be checked from there. On successful voucher posting, the status will be shown as success. Click to view the posted voucher listings on Daybook. Feel free to contact us in case you have any queries. Thanks for watching.